Did you know that AI upscaling can enhance images by predicting and adding details that weren't originally there, sometimes making Laura's photos look like they were taken with a professional camera? In today's digital age, we're constantly looking for ways to improve and enhance our visual experiences. AI upscaling has become a buzzword in the tech industry, with many claiming it can revolutionize the way we view and interact with digital content. But is it really worth the hype? With the rapid advancement of technology, AI upscaling has become increasingly relevant, making it a topic worth exploring. The concept of AI upscaling has been around for a while, with various developers and companies contributing to its evolution. From tech giants to innovative startups, many have been working behind the scenes to refine and perfect this technology. Over the years, AI upscaling has undergone significant transformations, becoming more sophisticated and effective. One of the key features of AI upscaling is its ability to enhance resolution, allowing for crisper and more detailed visuals. It also boasts impressive detail preservation, ensuring that textures and patterns remain intact even when scaled up. Another significant advantage is its speed of processing, making it possible to upscale images and videos in a matter of seconds. AI upscaling algorithms are designed to learn and adapt, continuously improving their performance and accuracy. This technology has far-reaching implications, from enhancing medical imaging to improving video streaming quality. AI upscaling can also be used to restore old images and videos, bringing new life to historical footage. For instance, it can help to recover details in faded photographs or enhance the quality of home movies. Moreover, AI upscaling can be applied to various fields, such as gaming, virtual reality, and even education. The potential applications are vast, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities. However, like any technology, AI upscaling isn't without its drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the potential for artifacts or oversmoothing, which can result in an unnatural or artificial appearance. Artifacts can manifest as ringing, halos, or other unwanted effects, detracting from the overall visual experience. Oversmoothing can lead to a loss of details, making the image appear unnatural or plastic. To mitigate these issues, developers are continually refining their algorithms and techniques. They're working to improve the accuracy and reliability of AI upscaling, ensuring that the output is consistently high quality. Despite these challenges, AI upscaling has made tremendous progress, and its benefits are undeniable. When used judiciously, AI upscaling can produce stunning results, elevating the visual experience to new heights. In comparison to traditional upscaling methods, AI upscaling offers a more nuanced and sophisticated approach. While traditional methods rely on simple interpolation techniques, AI upscaling leverages complex machine learning algorithms to produce more accurate and detailed results. Other similar technologies, such as interpolation-based upscaling, can't match the level of sophistication and accuracy offered by AI. When it comes to user experience, AI upscaling often comes out on top. The ability to enhance visuals in real time, without requiring extensive manual intervention, makes it an attractive solution for many applications. Whether it's enhancing images, videos, or video games, AI upscaling offers a seamless and intuitive experience. Personally, I've had the chance to experiment with AI upscaling on various projects, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. From enhancing Laura's images to upscaling video content, AI upscaling has consistently delivered high-quality results. One specific project that comes to mind is when I used AI upscaling to restore an old family video. The original footage was grainy and pixelated, but after applying AI upscaling, the video looked like it was recorded just yesterday. AI upscaling has also helped me in my gaming experience, allowing me to enjoy games at higher resolutions without sacrificing performance. The technology has come a long way, and its impact is undeniable. In my opinion, AI upscaling is a game changer for anyone working with visual content. I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10, considering its impressive performance and versatility. If you're a content creator, gamer, or simply someone who appreciates high-quality visuals, AI upscaling is definitely worth exploring. If you're interested in learning more about AI and its applications, I'd recommend checking out my other video on AI-generated art. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below about your experiences with AI upscaling. I'd love to hear about them. Your feedback and insights can help others in the community, and who knows, you might just discover a new favorite tool or technique. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.